Returning a jacket. On Saturday, Emma walks into a clothing store near the town square with a paper bag in one hand and a receipt in the other. Jackets hang on a metal rack near the front door. A long mirror stands beside the fitting room, and a wooden counter sits at the back. Emma bought a green jacket there 2 days ago. In the store, she liked the color, the silver buttons, and the soft pocket lining. But when she tried it on at home, the sleeves felt too short and the shoulders felt tight. She folded it carefully, put it back in the paper bag, and saved the receipt on her desk. Now she feels a little nervous. She has returned things before, but she still dislikes explaining a problem at a busy counter. She walks past a table of scarves and joins the short line near the cashier. Behind her, a customer is holding a red sweater and checking the price tag. Emma checks the receipt, green jacket, size small, paid by card. When it is her turn, the cashier smiles. His name tag says Noah. "Hi," Noah says. "How can I help you?" Emma places the paper bag on the counter. "I bought this jacket on Thursday, but it does not fit well. I would like to return it." Noah takes the jacket from the bag and checks the label inside the collar. Then he looks at the receipt and the tag on the sleeve. "No problem," he says. "You still have the receipt, and the tag is on the jacket." Emma feels relieved. "Good. I was not sure about the store policy." Noah points to a small sign beside the card machine. On the counter, Emma keeps one hand on the paper bag. A small shelf with folded receipts stands near the register. You can return clothes within 14 days if they are clean and unworn. Emma nods. "I only tried it on at home." Noah types on the register. The screen shows the jacket number, the price, and the payment method. Then he pauses. "Would you like a refund?" he asks, "or would you prefer an exchange?" Emma looks toward the rack by the front door. Several green jackets are hanging there. A larger size might solve the problem. "Maybe an exchange," she says. "Do you have this jacket in medium?" Emma holds the receipt and paper bag in one hand. Noah checks the computer and points toward the back wall. There may be one left on the second rack near the mirror. Emma carries the jacket and receipt across the store. The floor is crowded with shoe boxes and shopping baskets. Near the fitting room, she finds the second rack. There is one green jacket in medium between a black coat and a yellow raincoat. She takes it from the hanger and checks the label. Medium. Same color. Same silver buttons. Emma steps into the fitting room. Inside, there is a mirror, a hook, and a small wooden stool. She hangs her bag on the hook and puts on the medium jacket. This time, the sleeves reach her wrists. The shoulders feel comfortable. She turns left and right in front of the mirror, then smiles. It fits. When she returns to the counter, Noah is helping another customer choose a gift card. Emma waits beside a display of socks. A child leaves a glove near the door. Another customer compares 2 coats under the sale sign. At last, Noah looks up. "Did you find the right size?" he asks. "Yes," Emma says, holding up the jacket. "Medium is much better." Noah scans the tag on the old jacket and then the tag on the new one. "The price is the same, so I can do a simple exchange." Emma hands him the receipt. He prints a new one and circles the exchange number with a black pen. "Keep this receipt too," he says. "Just in case." Emma laughs softly. "I will. I learned my lesson." Noah folds the medium jacket and puts it into a clean paper bag. "Anything else today?" "No, thank you." Emma leaves the store with the new bag under her arm. Outside, the square is full of bicycles, benches, and shop windows. She stops near a bench and checks the jacket one more time. The size label says medium, and the new receipt is safe in her wallet. She feels proud, not because returning a jacket is difficult, but because she handled the conversation calmly. She explained the problem, asked for an exchange, checked the size, and kept the receipt. Emma puts the wallet back into her bag and walks toward the bus stop. The green jacket rests neatly in the paper bag, ready for the next cool evening.